Hawu abanye benu nithi ni youth kanjani manje? Kanti what is a youth? A youth is a what to 35. When you are no longer 35, why are you in youth business? Why are you in youth? Why are you ufunani kwi youth? Oh. Manje, are you even wearing a uniform? You're even hi. Oh, youth is our things. It's not your things anymore. Leave it, babes. Like do Freedom Day or Women's Day or Men's Day. Youth is not your thing. Leave it. Leave it, babes. Leave. No. Why?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So today it was Youth Day and it's still Youth Day, so it seems like there's a confusion ukuthi kahle le Youth Day, le langa le Youth Day belonga ku age group lethini. So Dominic did a video laughing at people ukuthi hayibo, are you guys still calling yourselves youth? And some of you guys ningetulu kwa 35 but still ngisati bita nge-youth ngisacelebrate i-youth ngisagqoka timpahla ngelanga le-youth day ngigqoka ama-uniform kani i-youth day yalabanjani. So he said ukuthi i-youth day belonga bantu who are under 35, and people are saying ukuthi we haya usiyekele wena noma nje thina sinabo 40 sinabo 38 still sisa fola under i-youth. Or awusitsheli nje wena lokho makuthi sobona ngathi sona sesikhulile sho ukuthi fine kena thine sesiyi-youth endala. Ngifuna kuva ngawo comment ukuthi do you think ukuthi what Dominic said lapha ku TikTok about bantu laba over 35 ba celebrate a-youth, do you think right makati i-youth belonga kubantu who are under 35? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.